How to delete all viruses on Windows 10 and 11. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're struggling with viruses on your Windows 10 or 11 PC, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you how to delete all kinds of viruses in just 3 simple steps, so let's dive right in. First of all, we will use the Disk Cleanup tool. Here's how. Click on the search box on your taskbar, try Clean MGR and then hit enter. In the suggestions, click on Disk Cleanup. A new window will pop up. Here you will see a list of files you can delete. Make sure to check all the boxes, including the recycle bin. If you don't need to restore any deleted items, this will help free up space on your computer. Next, let's focus on the temporary files over here. In order to find the temporary files, you need to press Windows plus R. This will open the Run dialog box over here. Once in the Run dialog box, you need to type %temp and followed by %. Then you need to press on OK. Once you have done that, you can see the list of files over here. You simply need to press Ctrl A in order to select all those files, and then you need to press delete. Once you have done that, you can see all your temporary files have been deleted, which also includes the viruses over there. Now let's move on to the next step. Simply go to the Start menu and in the search bar simply type MRT. Then you need to open the MRT. This is the software given by the Windows in order to check all the malicious files over here. Now you need to simply click on Next and then click Next again. Then it will do some quick scan in your drives and check if there are any viruses available. Once it's done, you need to click on Finish, and there you have it. By following these 3 simple steps, you can effectively remove viruses and junk files from your Windows 10 or 11 PC, leading to noticeable improvement in performance. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech tips, and I'll see you in the next video.